Hello kids! Welcome back to our Mahabharata journey. Do you remember what we learned before? We met the great heroes and characters of this epic story. The wise and truthful Yudhishthira, the strong and mighty Bhima, the brave archer Arjuna, the gentle twins Nakula and Sahadeva, and their cousins, the 100 Kauravas led by Duryodhana. We also met the kind Bhishma Pitamaha, the great teacher Dromacharya, and our beloved Lord Krishna, the guide and friend of the Pandavas. All of them belong to the same great royal family, the Kuru dynasty of the mighty kingdom of Hastinapura. Today, let's find out how their childhood began and how the seeds of jealousy slowly grew inside the royal palace.
Long ago, in the great kingdom of Hastinapura, there lived two princes, Dhritarashtra and Pandu. Dhritarashtra was blind, so his younger brother Pandu became the king. Both brothers loved each other, and the kingdom was peaceful for a while. King Pandu had 5 sons, known as the Pandavas. Dhritarashtra had 100 sons, the Kauravas, with Duryodhana as their eldest. When Pandu died, Dhritarashtra became the ruler again. The Pandavas grew up in the same palace with the Kauravas, all under the care of Bhishma, the great elder of the Kuru family. At first, everyone played together like brothers, but soon jealousy began to grow in Duryodhana's heart. He couldn't bear to see the Pandavas loved by everyone, especially Arjuna, who was brave and skilled in archery and always guided by Lord Krishna's friendship. Under the guidance of their teacher Dronacharya, all the princes learned the arts of war, archery, and wisdom. Arjuna became Drona's favorite student, which made Duryodhana even more jealous. One day, during a grand training show, Bhima and Duryodhana had a mighty fight with maces. The crowd cheered for Bhima, and Duryodhana's anger deepened. Though the Pandavas always tried to live with kindness and fairness, Duryodhana began to plan against them, thinking, "I will not let the Pandavas rule Hastinapura." The wise Bhishma and Vidura often advised peace, saying, "Dear children, remember, jealousy only destroys happiness." But Duryodhana never listened. Thus, the seeds of rivalry and hatred were sown in the palace of Hastinapura. The childhood games were turning into a dangerous competition that would one day lead to the greatest war ever, the Mahabharata. So kids, moral of the story is, even among brothers or friends, jealousy and pride can create great troubles. We must learn to share, forgive, and stay kind just like the Pandavas. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Monk Tales for more beautiful stories.